understand what these whores are complaining about. That word exists for a reason. She's 14 and the paragons of chastity. You know, on one level, I agree. He also alleged to have now this is where he's going overboard. He advertised. He took photos of her, of his team. 25-year-old Curatina Mulrain was the Pimp Hines accomplice. Did you see that? Did you see that movie? The Pimp Hines accomplice. He kind of away. You should start painting. You know, it's not quote smells of distended anus. Like it looks like a baby yawning. About 2 a.m. from Columbus Place, neighboring the luxury apartment building from Mount Sinai, Santo Taco in Baytown, and the impact of his fall crushed the oxygen tank to leak, and caused it to leak, and all the patients from the emergency room were evacuated. So thanks a shitload of assholes. Yeah. That sounds like addition by subtraction, by the way. No, I've taken a lot of dick pics, like an unusual amount of dick pics.
Kind of looks very good.
But have you taken any of
It kind of looks good.
I don't get the whole dressing it up part.
I think.
Yeah, I know.
There's enough
Well, you got I gave you the better one.
Well, the idea of a pilgrim.
I did. I gave you the best one.
Well, stop looking at those videos.
It's not the result.
Well, anyway, cinnamon toast crunch.
Not what you're looking for. Pilgrim hat. That would be my last one.
Snow day, Leila. Snow day.
That would be the only good one to do.
Snow day, Leila. Leila loves snow day.
Oh, it's the beginning of Black Hitler month. So
We get to lay down.
You can find a penis Hitler.
I love you.
You Google penis Hitler, something's
Did you feed her?
Yeah, they've both been around for a long time. It was the first result when you hit penis Hitler.
Your little paws are cold. I should have got you socks.
Oh boy.
You like this?
I was thinking it might be good.
I was gonna say breakfast. Netflix. No, that's YouTube.
Yeah, look at that penis Hitler.
Layla,
You wanna go out?
Come on, let's go outside.
Any team.
Come on, let's go outside. You wanna go outside?
Of all these teams, I'm gonna go to Milwaukee.
Can you imagine? If you found out you were traded there?
It's still fucking snowing.
I mean, I guess if you lived
You didn't even
in
see this
Wisconsin
going
and your family,
You don't
there's
wanna
no
go
reason you should be a
Blizzard
Bucks fan living
2016.
outside of Wisconsin.
We're snowed in.
Wow, you're
Look at that.
Fucking
I'm gonna get my car
Why
out.
do you with the Brewers?
Holy
Hey,
shit.
Look, you're
Layla, we're so happy we have a warm place to stay. Whoa, I almost slipped. I know. Looky, babies. We cleaned.
That's why I threw out reruns.
And I put this stuff away.
They're on all the
We
time.
cleaned. Things nice and clean. I put this.
that L.
My hands get so dry from cleaning, so I use my Vanilla Bean Noel. Hi, Glisten. This is Glisten.
Just jump right out.
Oh, she's cold.
Why?
It's not cold.
Slippers.
Getting L's right.
She knows. She don't want to go out there.
Your whole life is L's.
You don't want to go outside, do you?
She's such
Not
a
many W's,
princess.
but a lot of L's.
No, look at my cream.
Oh, you're so sweet. What?
We can't go out there.
The new NBA
What? For what?
commissioner was saying
go
that
outside.
it's
what?
only a matter of
I don't
time
know.
before
Look at
NBA
it.
jerseys are all
We have a fan.
sponsorships.
We have a fan. We get hot.
What is that?
There's a fan on there.
Why?
Uh,
He says we're just
no,
the money's gonna be needed. It's just
Summer.
gonna be.
It's up there for the summer.
inevitable.
You're paying guys fucking $28 million a year.
Holy
Who said you had to
moly.
do that?
I think the WNBA is already doing that, and that still doesn't seem like enough. Like I don't understand how they have a
Snowzilla.
TV deal even.
It's as popular as girls' best.
This one comes to me and asks if we can make a slow cooker cake. But what did you find?
I said if we put Nutella instead of pudding, maybe it'll come out good.
So you're gonna. Why is the light bad? The light is bad. Can you stand? You're like a dark shadow. The lighting is bad. You're really dark.
I punched the dough ball.
So wait, what are you gonna do? You're gonna make a lava cake? Can you stand over there? Because I really can't see
Just
you.
make a regular cake.
Make the slow cooker cake.
Yeah, but you need
Like-
pudding for it to make it a lava cake.
Okay, well that's in there.
You're very dark.
Sorry, you're racist, bro.
I'm not. It's the lighting. Like you look like a shadow. And this part right here, these lights have to come down. It looks like I don't know what.
Yeah, no. This is cool. It's interactive. It's like, oh, you can also use the top to melt it up now.
Heard these taste disgusting.
Be right back. Yeah.
Lila.
Alright,
She doesn't know what to do. There she goes.
On the freaking easy bake oven, more like hard bake oven. So I'm resorting to this.
Lila.
Chocolate above the
It's
crystal
like a random
on the
cake box right there. Are you making the cake or not?
Looks like hamburger.
Okay, somebody's in fucking crappy
I'm
pants.
eating stuff right now. I'm trying to figure out.
Okay,
This is a
whatever.
mess. Taking forever.
It's crabby
Mess,
pants.
isn't it? 10 hours later, I do not recommend that you do
Oh my
this.
God,
It's
that's
very
so
dangerous
funny.
children. Stick to the easy bake plate.
You're supposed to make lava cake with chocolate.
Because us adults don't have patience. I'm relaxing. Ooh, Glisten is passed out. There we go. I'm hanging out with Glisten. Glisten. You didn't know, so that's why you buy more? Oh. I did. Because that's where all the food goes.
That's burnt chocolate. Oh my god. Oh, why did you think that was a good idea?
I love Joey. His boyfriend. I think Brandon's name is. I don't know what videos I film. Maybe a makeup tutorial or something. It's just a snow day. I just want to like relax. That's why I feel like I become lazy. I don't make structured videos as much because I like vlogging. It's just way easier to like film. Like you don't have to set up, just be yourself and just be like, hello, like I'm here. What? What are you making now?
Butt cake.
A bunt cake. Are you bored?
It was so big.
Is that you can take a regular
I'm making a bunt
pie
cake.
that's been out for a while.
I'm
and
hungry.
make it so fine, so refined that you
I'm
have
hungry.
something really special in each
I'm
small
hungry.
batch. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't care.
What?
I'm hungry.
Hungry?
Too.
I'm hungry.
But the problem is that if I use the eggs, what if we need them for breakfast tomorrow?
Oh god. Then we needed more eggs.
Well, we wasted like 4 of them today. With that epic French toast
We
fail.
should try to travel to the store.
I would. Like we went to the diner that day.
Yeah, we walked in this type of weather to the diner.
Who am I? Where am I? Who are you? What day is it? I don't know her. I got D-Wig. I was sick of the colors. I just wanted to go back.
It is supposed to make the removal process so much easier than the traditional foil removing process. So you put nail polish remover
You like
in
Bunny?
here. It creates a steam.
What do you do?
And
She-
then
what-
your
do what she
gel
does?
polish
Huh?
supposedly
Do what
will
she does.
Does this
miraculously
thing
lift off.
really
Not
work?
only have you guys been tweeting and leaving me comments about
Oh,
retesting
God.
it? I
Everybody, it's
actually
Bunny!
received a couple of tweets from the Painted Nail, which is the salon and the company
What?
behind this
Yeah, we all
device.
know.
A lot of people, I guess, were sending my video to them and kind of just like
You
being like,
forced these
hey,
people
why
into
didn't
my
this
life.
work? Or what
Like
did she
Trisha?
do wrong?
No.
The owner of the Painted Nail was seeing the videos and she tweeted to somebody else that wow, her gel nail polish was insanely thick.
What?
My own
We got-
plaid designs. You can see there. I put 2 coats of the taupe color.
Is this
That
a
is kind of
sticker?
like the base for this nail
Yeah,
design.
it's a glow-in-the-dark
That is the
decal.
only thing
Where should we
that
put it,
has
on the
2
wall?
coats. The rest is
On the
just
wall.
Where else are we gonna put it?
striping on top.
Should we-
I guess it could be like 3 coats if you wanted to consider the top layer like the ceiling coat.
Yo, you need some sauce in
I
your life.
also have a much better nail file this time
Oh,
that
it
is a
doesn't
lot
work.
prettier.
Yes,
because
this finally
Oh, it
is
does.
dead.
is the
Aw.
most
Yay.
important step is to make sure that you really break the seal of the gel nail.
It's faulty.
There is no really broke the seal
The
on
sauce
the top
disco, it's
coat.
not working
I
now.
definitely even maybe filed a little bit aggressively on this nail because I'm kind of scared that I filed through all of the polish. And now I'm
Sever
just
steak.
seeing my naked nail under there. It's freaking me out
Does
a
it
little
the
bit.
lights?
Just for a side-by-side comparison,
I like the
only
lights.
filed.
Let's go.
And
Oh,
they
this
do
We have the
look
Man in the
a little
Iron
bit
Mask signed by
more
Jeremy Irons.
flaky
And the Brothers
a
McMullen
little
signed
bit
by
more
Ed Burns
Yeah.
on DVD. Great
not even
prizes for
having
living
to
like
use like a
Tito.
hard
There's a bunch of
scraper
rules.
tool
There's
or
a
anything.
bunch
I'm
of
just
regular
using my
fellas.
fingernail
Yeah.
in a also
Yeah.
professional way.
And
That
P.
is how much
Simpson as
I
well,
was
if you
able
go.
to remove now after spending
So we'll get back and we'll talk.
Watching Lynette. And her birthday's on Wednesday. I love her eye makeup. Ugh. Gorgeous. Gorge. What? Like, what's up with my skin? Do you not see my skin? Like, like, what is going on? Like, I feel like my skin is, like, fucking, like, acting up. Like, really, I'm, like, looking at my skin right now. Well, look at it. I'm all, like, red.
You're using all these fucking things that you're not supposed to use. That's why.
What do you mean? I need to wash my face. What things am I supposed to use? It might be that brightening thing that I'm using. Look at it.
I told you about using all that stuff.
But you're supposed to use face wash. I use makeup. You're a guy. You don't use makeup. I have to get down to my pores. Like, my face is, like, all acting up. It might be that scrub that I'm using. I'm going to stop using that scrub. I think I'm allergic to it, I guess. You ain't having it?
Coca-Cola Cherry Zero. If you want a little flavor with your zero.
Back to me. But yeah, I think it's that face wash. That scrub. I think I'm not going to use it. Let's see what happens. That's what skincare is. Like, you trial and error things, and then you get your skincare regimen. Like, take things out. That's why I'm not filming my nighttime routine until I got well-balanced, like, skincare routine. Because I feel like I'm trying so much shit out, and it's just really breaking me out. I don't know. The best thing is to go to a dermatologist, but I'm lazy like that. I find the need to find things that work great for me. Like, I want to find my regimen myself. This looks like my skin. Look at that. It definitely is that scrub. What?
A wash pot doesn't boil.
A watch pot doesn't boil. The way you said it sounded weird.
A watch pot doesn't boil.
Yeah, you said it right, but the way you saying it.
A watch pot doesn't boil. A watch pot doesn't boil. A watch pot doesn't
But
boil.
the way you're. Just the way you're saying it
A wash pot
doesn't.
doesn't boil. A wash pot doesn't boil. A wash pot doesn't boil. A wash pot doesn't boil.
No, because I want her to back over here, and you made her move. But just the way you're saying it just sounds wrong. It's no way.
Because what? Because I can't go outside because it's snowing.
Like, wouldn't you want to hang out with us? Like, we're pretty funny.
No, we're not. That's an original song by me. I'm gonna faint like a goat.
I'm gonna faint like a goat. Those fainting goats. I didn't believe you when you told me.
Ouch.
See, he should, right? Shouldn't he not wear a hat? Like, show your hair.
Sunglasses.
Like, look how much nicer you are.
I look like a mad scientist.
No, don't push it forward. Don't push it forward.
I wear my I wear your sunglasses inside.
Like, why do you have to make everything look good? Like, he's annoying.
Only
We have
tweeted
to
to
go
someone
jogging.
else and not me.
Go
is
jogging.
We're gonna start our
that
exercise
I
routine today.
should have
What?
let
It's
this
Snow jogging.
machine kind of like
You gotta
heat
go
up
find Louise.
a couple of times and run through a couple
go
of
to the
cycles
drugstore and
because the
get my
machine is
prescriptions.
new.
You gotta
In
go
defense,
find
I did
Louise.
kind of think that my nail
gotta
polish was a
pick up
little
my
bit thick, but I
prescriptions.
also did not know because it was nowhere that I could see in the owner's manual
gotta
that's
go-
going
you
to
gotta-
get this
you gotta
machine
call a cab.
started or to get
You
it
gotta
to
pick
work
me up.
the best.
You gotta go-
You
you
have
gotta
to
find
kind of like turn
Louise.
it on
I
and
gotta
let it
pick up
heat
Ethel.
Oh,
more
Ethel.
than just
You gotta go
once.
to the
And
drugstore.
the only information
Pick up our
that I have
Metamucil.
to go on
So we can
is
take it
this
Oh, God.
little owner's manual. This time I
Yo, put
What
him
happens?
on.
Hey.
Put him on.
Finished shopping. Jason's over there making fire. Athena's right there with her daddy.
Like an evil villain.
So I'm gonna
Ghost
do
to me.
a little bit of a vlog style.
Wear your sunglasses inside.
I don't know if I'll upload it.
Seal the deal,
The
Layla.
vlog that I did.
Seal the deal.
But
Like, we're pretty funny.
How you there?
Yeah.
My fucking pajama pants.
things there,
You know?
Your pajama pants?
Yep. I wore them all day.
It's a snow day.
for Athena.
I gotta put on my scarf.
I haven't done Athena in a while, but I only buy her
Put on your scarf!
she knows the sound of her
Put on your scarf.
often. I shook
Put it
up
on.
and down so she could stick her
Put it on. Come here.
stuff in her mouth and she
So
pulled out
bad.
sticks.
Where you going with the pot?
Start with
What?
grocery haul.
So
We're gonna get
What did you do with the pot?
I had to put it down the toilet.
Why you hadn't put it down the toilet? I did not clog it.
Vlog style.
It went down. It went.
It did?
Yep.
If you, tell the people of the world, if you have a clogged toilet bowl and the plunger doesn't work, what do you do?
Boil hot water, pot of hot water, stand
The same price as the great value.
probably like chest high.
With the
Dump it.
pot.
Value.
So you have to put the pot chest high,
Yeah, you gotta have some velocity.
and then you have to pour it down the toilet bowl like with force,
Right, that's why you do it from chest high.
and then you pour the pot with hot water.
Use
Those. And then we had to open this because I called
pot holders so
Use
you
pot-
don't burn your hands.
And then you pour it down the toilet bowl,
Anyway,
and
guys,
Yes.
then it will
Chest high.
and then it will unclog
Because your
that.
chest is like down
these are
here.
better than.
And then you unclog the toilet bowl.
Oh my goodness! And you could get
That's if the plunger's not working.
Right.
If you try the plunger, if the plunger works,
Right.
then it's fine. But we found
Plunge
this.
it a little bit so that the water goes down.
Okay, so don't do it when you have a full.
No, because that's not gonna do anything. You gotta have like little to no water in there.
Okay, and then you heat up the pot of water.
And we tried everything.
Oh my god, it was so bad. And then we found this, and it works. You boil a pot of hot water, put it chest high, and then throw it down the toilet bowl, and it will unclog it. Alright, put back my fragrance sticks. Layla, Daddy's crazy. You know there's fragrance on there, and you're putting it in your mouth.
What are you doing?
You gotta put your snow pants on.
I don't have snow pants. These are jeans that I don't care about, so. Alright.
But when you come back in the house, make sure you don't
Are
put
we
the
doing
snow.
this or not?
What? Yes.
What?
Behind the scenes of our video we're gonna be posting. What are we gonna call it?
I don't know.
Ethel going to the drugstore?
Alright.
On the blizzard of 2016? Oh, you calling yourself Ethel? Oh no, you're finding Ethel.
He was my friend.
Ethel's your friend.
Or some other old name. Like,
Your hat looks good like that.
come on, let's go.
Why are you wearing a Cleveland Indian hat? You're not even a Cleveland fan.
First of all, okay, my grandmother was.
Oh, your grandmother
That's
was.
number one. Second of all, I like the logo because it's very racist and cool. Number three, I like the colors, blue and red. And I wear blue and red clothes. It matches my clothes.
Because it's racist. That's why you wear it.
I love it.
You're a fucked up person.
Look at fucking Indian. Have you ever seen an Indian person that look like this?
No.
But they never changed it, and I love it.
They still haven't changed it?
No. The logo.
Do you know if they do change it, that has to be worth a lot of money?
So many of them. Come on.
Layla, what are we gonna call it?
I don't know.
Louise going to the drugstore?
We have
A cane? We're gonna find a cane. Oh, this is gonna be fucking funny.
So, actually, let me see how far I am.
Come on, man.
I still have 8 minutes
This is
remaining.
good.
I said that
All right.
for 15, so actually it went over a little bit.
Are you putting your boots on?
I could use this.
My wrapping paper?
pretty much
No,
dry,
just the tube.
Wait.
but so
Try to get the wrapping paper out without messing it up. And try to put the tube back in.
just know, like, have it
You won't be able to do
just
that.
know that
Alright, whatever.
Louise going to the drugstore to find Ethel?
I don't know what that was.
You gotta put my poncho on.
So,
Alright, come on, where is it? What are you doing?
It's right there. My poncho's right there. Underneath all my jackets.
my final
Oh, the
thoughts
gorilla?
are,
Not the gorilla, no.
see, is kind of
The gray thing?
really
No, not the gray thing. The black thing.
I'm gonna wash
There
out
we
my
go. The
photos
poncho.
now.
Oh, there it
These
goes.
are fucking-
There goes
Let's
everything.
talk about the fact that you
Wait,
have
put
to
it
use
on. Let's see what it looks like.
This?
Yeah. A little poncho.
That could be.
You gotta go find
I
Ethel.
mean, that could be time consuming in itself. That could be challenging.
This isn't working.
That's the way you wear it. No, you're not supposed to wear it like that.
This is better.
This is how it is out here. Holy shit. Oh my god. How fucking crazy this is. Oh, it's fucking cold, man. It's bad. It's fucking bad. Look how deep we are in. Shit. Alright. I gotta go back down. Look how bad it is. How am I gonna get down? I'm gonna fall. Oh, it's fucking cold, man. Woo! Oh. It's bad. I don't know where the steps are. Because I don't even know where the steps are.
Yeah.
Okay, can you open?
I don't think that was worth
My
it.
hand's frozen.
I don't think that was worth it.
Oh my god. My hands hurt.
Yeah, me too. I don't think that was worth it.
No. That was fucking...
It's probably so stupid.
Wait, hold this. Face it to me.
Your phone's all wet.
I know. It's snowing out.
We didn't think this one through too well. Alright, I got.
Look at my hands.
That was pretty stupid. Okay, goodbye.
This is what I'm saying. When you have snow, it's messy. You have that dry. Put the towel down. But yep, snow is very messy. Onesie party. No, that tushy. Look at that tushy. It's a onesie party.
Yeah.
It's alright. It's only water. This dog is so super sweet. I can't.
Our Twitter at the bonfire SXM.
She loves to cuddle. Layla.
Spelled out SXM.
She looks open one eye. Layla. Are you in your Chewbacca onesie?
After the show from my personal,
Are you comfy?
Twitter.
Are we gonna have a onesie party together?
Thanks, bro.
I already started.
I'm gonna put my unicorn onesie on and we're gonna have a party. Can we have a dance party?
No, my back hurts now.
It's what?
My alter ego is a 73-year-old young woman.
Did someone else fart in the room?
Oh, God. Look at Layla. Oh.
She turned 73 last year.
Oh, again?
I'm gonna be 74.
Layla. So sweet.
Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving. It's around 3 o'clock. Guess what I'm going to
Onesie party. Onesie party. We survived. What guys do onesie parties? Onesie party. I wish they had like a light for the camera. Onesie party. We got fix my hat. Show the horn. Okay. Onesie party. Look at my horn.
Wait, we're missing the good parts.
What are we watching?
G6. The Wire.
Why? We survived the onesie party. We survived the onesie.
Oh, wait, we're missing good stuff.
Ew. Do I hate the sound of like kissing. Like that sound of kissing, like. Oh, that's like the worst sound ever. My hat. Where'd it go?
My hat.
We survived 2016 blizzard.
Not yet. No, not yet.
We survived. So I'll end the vlog here.
No, not yet.
Onesie party.
Drop the horns.
Yo.
Put your horn in your mouth.
So we saved. We survived.
You saved.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
They didn't.
And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, dolls.
It would have worked if you knew the code.
Mwah. I died.